Hello everyone, I am Vedant Kumar Khetan and for assessment purposes, my registration number is 20BCE 0503. In this presentation, we'll take a deep dive into the depths of ocean and talk about an alluring and dazzling life form named Papillon de mer, or it is commonly referred as Clione Limacina. Mother Nature always boggles us with its beauty. Papillon de mer is one of the most beautiful sea creatures. It is scientifically known as Clione Limacina. It is also known as naked sea butterfly, sea angel, and common Clione. It belongs to the marine group named sea angel. It is found from the surface to greater than 500 meter under the cold regions of Arctic and North Atlantic oceans. Clione limacina belongs to kingdom Animalia and further classified to phylum Mollusca. Its class is Gastropoda and subclass is Heterobranchia. Growing further down the table, it belongs to Ophistrobranchia clade, Clionidae family, and Clione genus. The scientific classifications are for biologists and can be tedious, but I'm glad that you are still with the presentation. Its history dates back to 1676 when Friedrich Martens first described it and it became the first gymnosomatous theropod to be described. There are two subspecies which have been found till date. Clione limacina australis by French biologist Pierre Bruguiere in 1792 and Clione limacina. To be honest, it's a funny name, but it was discovered by an American environmentalist Phipps in 1774. The two subspecies differentiate in body length. Clione australis are also known as northern species. They live in colder waters, mature at 3 centimeters, and can reach a size of 7 to 8.5 centimeters. They are also famed for being the largest sea angel, whereas Clione limacina are also known as southern species. Their size is about 1.2 centimeter and they are the shortest sea angel. Clione limacina is found in cold waters of the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic Wire, ranging south at least to the Sargasso Sea and north to the Gulf of Alaska, including the Beaufort Sea. The three other species in the genus are Clione elongatissima, found in the north cold Pacific waters, Clione ocotensis in the Okhotsk Sea, and Clione antarctica in the Antarctic waters. My pronunciation can be a little bit bad, but please bear with me. Feeding habits. Feeding habits of Clione limacina has an interesting study for biologists over year. Adults feed in a predator-prey relationship among exclusively on the sea butterflies of the genus Limacina, on Limacina helicina and on Limacina retroversa. The feeding process of Clione limacina is somewhat extraordinary. The buccal apparatus consists of three pairs of buccal cones. These tentacles grab the shell of Limacina helicina. When the prey is in the right position with its shell opening facing the radula of Clione limacina, it then grabs the prey with its chitinous hooks averted from hook sacs. Then it extracts the body completely out of its shell and swallows it whole. That was rather revolting than being interesting, I must say. But the interesting fact is the species can survive for one whole year without food. But starvation can cause the length of slugs decrease on average from 22.4 millimeters to 12 millimeters. Life cycle. In Svalbard, the life cycle of Clione limacina appears to be at least 2 years. It is a hermaphrodite and observations suggest that it is simultaneous. It breeds during the spring and summer and the eggs are about 0.12 millimeters. Clione limacina is a prey of planktonic feeders such as baleen whales, which historically led to sailors naming it whale food. Some fishes are also its predators. For example, the chum salmon and Onchrinus keita is a major predator of sea angels, and naturally these predators decrease their lifespan. A picture is worth more a thousand words. This Nobel line fits right in as sea butterfly mesmerizes us with its beauty. And as it can be seen from the second picture, it belongs to the primary consumers in the marine food chain. Thus, it is so important to the marine food chain and for the marine species. With this bibliography, I end my presentation. Thank you so much for listening to it, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.